We have had to find a way to adapt to that and still make the experience as complete as it has been the years before. My name is Maurits Heemskerk, I'm 22 years old. I've been born and raised in Rotterdam. It's also the place where I'm currently living. And I'm a third-year student at Breda University of Applied Sciences. And at this moment I'm doing my internship for the Unexpected Journey.
My name is Guus. I'm 24 years old. I was born in Prague, the Czech Republic. Now I'm currently a fourth-year student at Breda University of Applied Sciences. And I'm an international hotel management student. And I'm also the current chairman of the Internship 2020, which is the introduction week for the first hotel and facility management students.
Normally the introduction week is full of festivities, so we have a lot of parties, for example themed party, a day with a band, sing-along and other activities. Usually the activities that we're trying to host are more up close, so more connected to team building and working together. But now due to the 1.5 meter regulations, that's not possible. So we have had to find a way to adapt to that and still make the experience as complete as it has been the years before.
Internship normally is 1 week of a lot of fun at the veranda. There's a swimming pool, there are also a lot of sports activities, enjoying food together, having parties, sleeping in one big tent, getting to know your classmates, fraternities, sororities that are connected with us, and a lot of fun and making friendships for life.
The introduction week this year will be a tad different than the year before. We're going to have a school day and a day at the city centre of Breda, and both the academies will be split up. So one day at school will be reserved for leisure and one day will be reserved for tourism. In that sense we try to split up an otherwise very large group into smaller groups.
So we have decided to do just one introduction day, but we also decided to do a whole introduction year to make up for that we are not going to be a week. We'll have an online event on the 3rd of September where we'll have short videos of fraternities and sororities who are linked with Guus. Then we'll have an introduction of the Breda city as well and how students should behave when entering the campus, picking up their shirts, getting to know their classmates. And then on the 4th of September we'll have a full day program which will have sport activities, silent disco, enjoying food together and getting to know the campus and your classmate and your coach. My tips for the students who are participating in the Internship 2020, I would say have fun, enjoy the day, but make sure you keep that 1.5 meter distance intact so that we can all communicate with each other, enjoy the program. In this way we'll have a chance to have bigger parties later on in the year and then we can all enjoy it and have fun.
It will be a very good base for you in order to get to know your classmates and to make friends within the city of Breda, which you can later do fun activities with, but also to be able to communicate with them. So actually try and connect with them, get a bond with them and just participate in what is going to be one of the most fun weeks of your student life.